It's a 2017 Audi Q7. Intelligent design coupled with legendary capability make this Q7 a serious performer that elevates luxury to a whole new level. It's well equipped with the features you need: intercooled supercharged V6 engine, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, multi-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com explains Audi has managed a high-tech presentation without a sacrifice in comfort or warmth. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. Experience it for yourself today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.